A very warm welcome to the USAID Bulletin. I am Meena Tariq. In today's USAID Bulletin, we will take a look at the United States and Pakistan's partnership for strengthening the agricultural sector. USAID's investments in Pakistan's agricultural sector date back more than 50 years to the Indus Basin Project, Faisalabad Agricultural Institute, and the support for wheat variety development, which increased Pakistan's wheat yields by 25% in 1960s. Pakistani Kinu is known for its taste and aroma. In 1961, a USAID-funded team of farmers introduced the Kinu orange to faculty at the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Originally developed in California by H.B. Frost, the Kinu is a mixed breed of two mandarins, king and willow leaves. After being found suitable for cultivation in the local Sargodha climate, farmers from districts across Pakistan began planting Kinu oranges. Today, Pakistan is a major exporter for Kinus and has exported a record of 370,000 metric tons of Kinu this year, beating its annual target by 120,000 metric tons. The US-Pakistan's close partnership has been important in developing Pakistan's agricultural research network, which includes universities, research institutes, and the establishment of a national research system. In 1984, the Pakistan Agriculture Research Council and USAID inaugurated the National Agricultural Research Centre or NARC. Located outside of Islamabad near Rawal Lake, the 1,400-acre campus is the largest agricultural research centre in the country. The centre serves as a nexus between agricultural institutions in Pakistan, facilitating research and collaboration between federal and provincial agricultural bodies to avoid duplicative research and initiatives. Today, those investments continue. Pakistan's agriculture industry employs more than 40% of the nation's workforce and is a key driver of the country's economic growth. USAID has been working with Pakistan to boost agricultural productivity by developing new crop varieties, improving management practices, and increasing farmers' access to improved technologies and irrigation water. This partnership has introduced new varieties of fruits and vegetables and established a flourishing academic exchange program to enrich research and enhance application of innovative technologies. Since 2009, USAID has supported mango farmers in processing the fruit and meeting export protocols. Building on these early efforts, USAID is focused on expanding the mango market. USAID has worked with the Pakistani government and private sector farmers to boost sales and exports of mangoes. USAID has also supported the Pakistani dates producers to increase export revenues and improve the processing practices. More than 500 farmers received training in date palm disease management, proper pruning and thinning techniques, and good practices in date harvesting, handling, transportation, and storage. USAID assisted the peach farmers by providing farming kits, training on good orchard management and harvesting practices, and organized more than 1,300 peach orchards into 33 regional clusters to negotiate better terms with the input suppliers and buyers. To help farmers reap a better potato crop, USAID trained farmers on crop management and provided knapsack sprayers, protective kits, packaging materials, and farming tools such as plastic bins, hose, shovels, rope, and measuring tape. USAID also helped in connecting small potato farmers to a dependable and profitable customer like PepsiCo to source potatoes for its many potato-based brands. In 2019, with USAID support, Pakistan introduced 20 new high-yielding and disease-resistant varieties of wheat and maize. As a result, more than 211,000 individuals have applied improved technologies and farming management practices on nearly 367,000 hectares. In addition, USAID constructed more than 400 kilometers of irrigation canals, providing access to irrigation water to nearly 8,000 farming households in the newly merged districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. To further increase farmers' and agri-businesses' incomes, USAID helps agricultural small and medium enterprises find access to financing and add value to agricultural commodities and produce, and links them to more lucrative markets. Through its Agriculture Market Development Program, USAID also launched several initiatives to strengthen Pakistan's high-value and off-season vegetable supply chain and increase market access. The project also worked on vegetable value addition by setting up 2 chili oleoresin plants to meet domestic demand and build export potential. Let's have a look at a special report by our reporter.
जी मैं खैरपुर में मौजूद हूँ जहाँ अमरीकी इदारा बराए बैनुल-अक़वामी तरक्की USAID की जानिब से डेढ़ दोस्त प्रोग्राम के तहत खजूर के काश्तकारों और इसके कारोबार से मुंसलिक अफराद के लिए मुतअद्दिद जो है वो इक़दामात किए हैं, इनकी मुआवनत की गई है, इनकी मदद की गई है, जिसके बायस यहाँ के लोगों को जो है वो खुशहाली आई है। खैरपुर में मुनासिब आबो हवा के बायस तकरीबन 75,000 एकड़ पर खजूर की काश्त की जाती है। 1930 में सक्खर बैराज मुकम्मल होने के बाद यहाँ खजूर की पैदावार में जबरदस्त इजाफा हुआ। एक अंदाजे के मुताबिक सिंध से सालाना 7 लाख टन खजूर हासिल की जाती है। खजूर को खुश्क करने के बाद छुआरा भी बनाया जाता है, जिसे बड़ी तादाद में पड़ोसी ममालिक को बरामद किया जाता है। आला क्वालिटी की इन खजूरों की मकामी और बैनुल-अक़वामी मंडियों में भी बेपनाह मांग है। बागात से उतारने के बाद मकामी फैक्ट्रियों में जायकादार खजूरों की प्रोसेसिंग की जाती है, जिसके बाद इन्हें मार्केट तक पहुंचाया जाता है। USAID ने सिंध में कई साल पहले खजूर दोस्त प्रोग्राम शुरू किया, जिसके समरात में हर गुजरते साल इजाफा हो रहा है। इस प्रोग्राम की मदद से मुख्तलिफ फार्मों के 500 से ज्यादा अफराद ने खजूर की बीमारियों के इंतजाम, मुनासिब कटाई, हैंडलिंग, नकलो हमल और स्टोरेज में उम्दा तरबियत हासिल की। इस प्रोग्राम के तहत सिंध के इलाके खैरपुर और सक्खर के 45 से ज्यादा बागात में खजूरों की प्रोसेसिंग के लिए सोलर टनल ड्रायर, कोल्ड स्टोरेज यूनिट्स, बैकअप जनरेटर्स और एक्सरे स्कैनर मुहैया किए गए। इन स्कैनर्स की मदद से खजूरों में मौजूद किसी किस्म के बैरूनी ज़रात की मौजूदगी का पता लगाया जाता है। इस प्रोग्राम की मदद से खजूर की बरामदात में तकरीबन $1.5 लाख का फायदा हुआ।
Let's have a look at what we have for you in our next bulletin. As always, thank you so much for watching our bulletin. We look forward to your suggestions and your comments, and we'll see all of you again next week.